Today we will learn Amazon leadership principles with real interview examples. Let us start the interview. How are you, Jolly?
I am good, Tim.
Can you tell me about a time you handled pressure at work?
It was last summer. Most of the people in my team were on vacation. I was the only developer working along with my group manager. Just to explain the situation better. When it comes to software engineering, there are 4 people in the team who take the work. As I told you, 3 of the people were on vacation, so I was alone doing all the work. The business unit in California had an urgent need to build a mobile application for capturing sensor data, and wanted us to deliver the work in a week. They wanted our team to build a native library that can capture magnetometer and accelerometer data from an Android device and filter them as per given rules. The work required advanced knowledge in Android native development, and I lacked some of that. As I mentioned before, the teammate who was skilled in this task was on vacation. There was no option, but I had to single-handedly implement the algorithm in C++ and deliver it to the US business unit. I started with learning Android native development by looking through online videos and also Android help documents. I developed a toy app to collect data, then learned how to write the interface between Java and C++ code. It was very hectic as I had to finish the work in a week. I spent many extra hours learning on the fly and getting this work done. Some of the data structure knowledge like unordered maps and sets helped me write the filtering part of code quickly. At the end of the week, I delivered to them a working module in C++ that can be easily used with their application. It had a simple API that returned the sensor data windowed in a particular interval with applied filters.
That was a great example, Jolly. It helped me understand how you can handle pressure at work. Can you tell me a little more on the filters you used?
For sure, Tim. One filter I remember was designed to remove the gravity effect of the accelerometer readings. It was a low-pass Butterworth filter with a cutoff frequency of 0.3 Hz.
That was a good answer. Let me ask you one more question. Can you tell me about a time when you made a mistake?
Would you mind if I take a minute to think about such a situation?
No problem. Take your time.
I would like to quote an instance when I was working on a project while I was doing an internship in summer 2018. I was building a dashboard handling quite a large amount of data. I was in a habit more of using select star kind of statements while retrieving and deleting data from DB. This particular habit of mine made me get into making a mistake. I accidentally did a select star delete on the whole table, rather I wanted to do it on a column. It was like 8 p.m. in the night, and next morning I had a meeting with my manager to discuss the feature. I was really feeling bad about it. I made up my mind that I have now made a mistake. The first thing is to correct it. I dropped an email to my colleague immediately. He replied back in an hour. He said that's not good, but it's okay if you can learn from it and never do it again. He gave me access to the master DB and asked to clone a copy to my local. I learned from this mistake of mine, and from then whenever I use relational database, I think twice if I need a select start kind of a statement to execute anything while developing. The mistake did make me feel awkward at that time, but I learned from it.
We will see another leadership question in our next video.
Thanks you. Please do like and subscribe. It motivates to make more such videos.